Hello everyone. In continuation to various numerical problems, what we are doing in indices, the next is question number 6. Solve for x if 2 to the power of 5x multiplied by 4 to the power of 4x minus 2 is equated or is equal to 8 to the power of 3x minus 8 divided by 16 to the power of minus 3x. So we need to solve it for x. So the left-hand side, we'll write it as 2 to the power of 5x multiplied by this 4, I will write it as 2 square to the power of 4x minus 2. And numerator of the right-hand side, I will write it as 2 cube to the power of 3x minus 8. Denominator, I'll write it as 2 power 4 to the power of minus 3x. Now, the left-hand side, I will rewrite it as 2 power 5x into 2 to the power of. Now, I will multiply this 2 into this. That means first one will be 8x. Second one will be 4x. The right-hand side, again, the same style, 2 to the power of 9x minus 24. The denominator is 2 to the power of minus 12x. Now, the left-hand side, I will add the indices 5x plus 8x minus 4. Right-hand side, 2 power 9x minus 24. And this power, if I take to the numerator, the sign will change. It will become plus 12x. Now, since the base is common, I can equate the indices. So 5x plus 8x minus 4 can be equated to 9x minus 24 plus 12x. Now, in the left-hand side, it is 13x minus 4. Right-hand side, it is 21x minus 24. Now, bring that 13x to the right side. Take the 24 to the negative 24 to the left side. If I take negative 24 to the left side, it will become positive. There is already a minus 4. And if I bring the 13x in the left side to right side, it will become negative. So 21x minus 13x. So we have now 20 is equal to 8x, or divide both sides by 8, we have x equal to 20 by 8. Simplify this, 4 5s are, 4 2s are, that means the result is 2.5. Solution for x is 2.5. In case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.